155,000 euros. For a Renault 5, 555 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, only 1980 units, and it's as wide as a Lamborghini Aventador. This is the 2026 Renault 5 Turbo 3e. And that's not even the most impressive part. The design is pure aggression squeezed into the smallest possible footprint. Renault calls this a mini supercar, and once you see those massively flared carbon fiber arches in person, you understand why. At 4.08 meters long but 2.03 meters wide, this thing has almost perfectly square proportions, a rally weapon on steroids. Those 20-inch wheels wear 245 section tires at the front, and 275 at the rear, proper supercar rubber on a car that still looks like a Renault 5 if you squint hard enough. The side vents reference the original 1980 Turbo, but this time one of them hides the charging port. The entire body is carbon fiber on a bespoke aluminum platform developed by Alpine engineers. Every unit gets assembled at the Alpine factory in Dieppe, the same site that builds Alpine sports cars. Here's what makes this stand out from anything else at the Brussels Motor Show. The original Renault 5 Turbo was a Group B homologation special with 180 horsepower and a mid-mounted engine behind your hips. This electric successor triples that power and puts it directly into the rear wheels, using two in-wheel hub motors. No drive shafts, no differential, no power loss. Each motor is controlled independently, which means this thing vectors torque between the left and right rear for precise drifting. There's a hydraulic handbrake mounted exactly where a rally driver would want it, and an overtake button on the steering wheel for a power boost when you need to send it. But here's the thing that might justify that 155,000 euro price tag, and it has nothing to do with speed. The cabin is pure race car, no compromises. Two carbon bucket seats with 6-point harnesses, a color-coded roll cage behind the passengers, and Alcantara everywhere your hands touch. The dashboard keeps the standard Renault 5 screens, but with bespoke turbo-inspired graphics. 4 driving modes include a dedicated race setting with drift assist. Each of the 1980 units is fully customizable, from the factory livery, interior materials, heritage colors like the red and blue racing stripes, or the black and yellow rally scheme. This is closer to ordering a bespoke suit than buying a car. Behind the bucket seats, there's room for helmets and a weekend bag. The motors live inside the wheels, so there's no engine eating into space like the original Turbo. 555 horsepower, 4,800 Newton-meters of torque, 0 to 100 in under 3.5 seconds. 800-volt architecture charges 15 to 80% in 15 minutes. Renault's most powerful road car ever. At 155,000 euros, this parks next to the Porsche Taycan Turbo and Audi RS e-tron GT. Neither of those can drift like a rally car or turn heads like a 2-meter-wide hatchback from hell. Only 1980 will ever be built. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.